Alright, so this is my trade of the week. Pretty simple stuff. I'm going to show you my strategy. I'm going to show you why I'm profitable. I'm going to show you why I've got a 5k payout today. As you can see on my Twitter here. 5k payout with Lucid today. Really, really good stuff. Obvious. Nice. Very nice. And I'm going to show you what I do. This is one of the trades that I took to get that payout this week. Trade of the week for sure. As you can see here. My entire strategy laid out for you. 80% win rate, 100k payouts last year. Profitable for a year. Just really very simple as well. I don't have to sit at the charts all day. I'm not stressed out. So let's get into it. Very simple. Every day I wake up, I mark out all the obvious lows. I wait for them to get hit. This one here, we came down, we swept this low, we get a bounce, but we missed the low. I wait for the low to get hit down here. This is obviously full of orders. Once we hit that level, I am looking to take long positions. This is my strategy. You can see it on screen. Read this out. I'll go through it with you right now. This is exactly what I did to take this trade. Firstly, I identify my buy side liquidity after the sell side liquidity is taken. We sweep the lows, we take the sell side liquidity. We get the bullish reaction. Before I even take this trade, I'm looking and I'm thinking, what am I actually targeting here? I'm targeting these really, really obvious highs. Lots of Trump candles on Tuesday, which is when this trade was. You can see this one was a Trump candle. This was a data wick as well. Trump candles, these have got loads of orders in them. Really obvious wicks that you can go and target. So I was trying to target these all day. Finally got myself a good trade here. We swept the final major low that I was looking for, where I wanted to take my trade from. We come down and we hit that low. And then look, this is what I'm looking for. So I've established my target. I've got my sweep. I've got a really, really bullish reaction. Good momentum. 3 candle pattern V-shape, inverted fair value gap. And then basically what I'm looking to do here is just enter. I risk about $200 on 30 accounts copy traded. I wait for the best setups possible. I do not just FOMO into the market every single day and take 50 trades. I pretty much just take 1 trade a day, to be honest. And I'll wait for the best trade, which is usually a really big sweep down, followed by an inversion back up. Pretty simple stuff. That's what you're usually looking for. But it depends. It does depend, but the best setups will always be in big discount after sweeping a major, major low and then getting a reaction like this. So everything fulfilled my criteria. I've got $200 risk. My stop loss is a manual stop halfway between the low and the gap. So if we do come down and close back below this like this, like say we came up and then closed here, I'd close that for a $200 loss. Call it a day, go, okay, fine, I lost. But generally speaking, that doesn't happen that much. I don't even remember the last time I lost, actually. I've been on a really good winning streak recently. 4 wins in the Discord, by the way, guys. Go down in the below, sign up to the Discord. It's free for education. If you want alerts for all my trades, I alerted this trade in my private premium Discord section. By the way, you can get those in the description as well, in the WAP. As you can see them. I'm risking $200. I'm looking to scale what at 1R and then go break even. This is my particular version of this model. As you can see, what happens? What happens? What happens? What happens? We go and we hit 1R straight away. So I scale half at 1R, $100 or a bit more than $100. And then I basically just go break even. So this is a free trade now. And then I'm just targeting liquidity with my runner. And then I tried to target this high here. And by the time I got up to a 4R or something, I was trailing my stop because I'm thinking, okay, this is looking like it's going to go hit the high. But if it doesn't, I don't just want it to come all the way back and break even me when I'm in so much profit. So basically I just, I think I trailed it up to around here and then got stopped in reality. As you can see, if I'd have held this, if I was on a live account, I could have held this for like literally a 20R. With the Trump ceasefire announcement overnight, as you can see, this would have been a pretty ridiculously insane trade. But obviously, no one could have predicted that. It could have easily just gone down 1,000 points. But as you can see, this was my trade of the week. I thought this was a really, really great trade. Everything that I want. Major sweep. Good, really bullish reaction. 3 candle pattern V-shape. The best reversal model in the market in terms of signature and price. And then you can see here, this basically just ran all the way up pretty much to where I wanted for the day. This could have gone further, but I thought 5R was probably reasonable. Obviously, I took half off at 100, and then I took the rest off at 5R. So, I mean, how many points is this? This is 200, almost 300 points. Almost 300 points of a pump. So that's like, what is that, $600 plus the 700 plus the 100 that I scaled, so $700. Great trade on 5 accounts on my Lucids. Pretty much got me to pay out, as you saw at the start of the video. Overall, this was my trade of the week. I'm going to keep this short and sweet because I don't think you need me to waffle on at you. Because if you want more information, You can get it. Join the free Discord down below. Do it now. I'm trying to get to 100 members this week, and I'd really appreciate if you could be there. Totally free. Get involved. Education. I'll show you all the things that I go through. If you want alerts for my trades, though, you do have to go and sign up for the WOP. I would really appreciate any of you being there. As you can see, my strategy is very effective. Got tons of wins this week. I think I've got 4 wins in 4 days this week. My best week for a good while after a week or two of having very few trades because the markets were pretty crap. Markets really cleaning up recently though and looking great. As I said, please do join the Discord. Really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 100 people. Be one of the founding members and you will be rewarded with a potential giveaway soon. As always, like and subscribe, leave a comment. I'm going to leave it there. Check out my other videos if you want more information about my strategy. Join the Discord, join the WOP. Get alerts for my trades and you could have took this trade with me on Tuesday and you would have had a bag. So, like and subscribe.